ultimate travel destination for thrilling adventures, exciting challenges, cultural dives,
food explorations, and total travel costs. Get ready to embark
on an unforgettable journey with Adventure Tank.
Welcome to Hoi An, the city of lanterns, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that truly comes alive at night. Let's go explore this place, let's go! Let's dive headfirst into the mesmerizing world of Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's as vibrant as a rainbow and as charming as your grandma's homemade pie. Hoi An in Vietnam is where time stands still, and the only hustle and bustle you will find is deciding which noodle dish to try next. The town is so laid back, it makes a sloth look hyperactive. We're talking no airports, no train stations, just chill vibes and ancient charm as far as the eye can see. You can really enjoy a leisurely stroll through the streets that are lined with Chinese assembly halls, Buddhist shrines, and French colonial mansions. Ever heard of a little thing called the City of Lights? No, it's not Las Vegas. It's Hoi An, baby! When the sun dips below the horizon and the moon takes center stage, this town transforms into a dazzling spectacle. The vibrant silk lanterns illuminate the streets like a celestial disco, while painted wooden boats glide gracefully along the river. It's like stepping into a time warp and landing smack dab in the middle of a 17th century rave. They really take their light shows seriously here. At 8 p.m., they flick off all the switches, dim the lights, and let those lanterns steal the spotlight. It's a sight so magical, you will swear you stumbled into a fairy tale, or at least someone's photoshopped Instagram post. Sure, these lanterns might not be dripping in diamonds or coated in gold, but what they do lack in bling, they more than make up in heart and soul. This lantern releasing tradition is a 1,000-year-old tradition. Crafted with care by the skilled artists of the old town, each lantern is a symbol of good fortune and love. And who couldn't use a little more of that in their lives? For only the bargain of 25 to 50 cents, you can snag yourself a lotus flower lantern and set sail on the river of dreams. Just picture yourself in a quaint wooden boat, candle flickering, heart aflutter with romance and anticipation. And as you release your lantern onto the water, you're not just lighting up the night, you're igniting a spark of health and happiness that will shine bright long after the candle burns out in these lantern releases. This is the beach, mama. Oh look, they have a workout thing here. Awesome. I might want to do some lifting, yo. $20,000. $20,000. That's a ripoff. But I guess here, because there are more tourists, they try to make it more expensive. I don't find this beach very peaceful and beachy. This is full of tourists. It's not like one of those peaceful beaches. Yeah, it's not. I'm not the biggest fan of this beach. But I mean, you know, it doesn't mean that it's a bad beach. I think a lot of people would love to come and just pay and sit on a sunbed and relax. And it's just not our type. It's not our types of adventures. So, yeah, let's move on to the next spot. Just look how green it is. I mean, these rice fields, they're an integral part of this region's agriculture. So you can see, you know, the farmers over there, they're just working throughout the day. It's so peaceful. I mean, as far as the eye can stretch, at least to the horizon there, you've got rice fields everywhere. Look at these two guys fishing. Oh, he used a frog. Look, a frog is hooked to it. And your options of coming to these rice fields are either you rent a bicycle, if you are fit enough, or you can rent a motorbike like we did. And it costs from 100,000 dong to up to 150,000 dong. And 50... Hello guys. Alright, so here we are in Hoi An, and we are enjoying one of the local dishes, which is chicken rice. So if you have a little close look, let's take you through the ingredients. We've got shredded carrot, shredded something else which I don't know yet. Oh, it could be onion and shredded cabbage, I believe. And then you have herbs like holy basil, which give a nice aroma to it. Shredded chicken, chicken skin, chicken organs, so I believe this is chicken liver. And then, not every place does it, but this specific one does rice that is yellow, and I think it's because of the turmeric that they added. Okay, so like usual, you always get an assortment here. Soy sauce, fish sauce with chili, and then chili powder. So they are heavily dosed here on the chili, but chili is good. And then you always get a small bowl of some sort of soup of the day, which is usually a vegetable soup, and it simmers for the whole day, so it's quite flavorful. All right, so let's dig in. I'm quite hungry, so I'm not gonna take the chopsticks. I'm just gonna go dive right into it with the spoon. I like it spicy. We're gonna take the fish oil, and we'll just do a little drizzle here and there. Throw in a piece of chili, why not? You know, let it hurt twice, once down the throat and once down the other part. A little bit of soy sauce. And now what I like to do is to take a little bit of the soup and just throw it in there. And then mix it all up together. We want all the flavors to be combining together. And then I'm gonna have a big spoonful. Got the chicken skin, along with some herbs, shredded carrot, chicken, some of that onion, and cabbage, soybeans. Oh yeah, there's soybeans, I forgot to tell you guys that. And lastly, let's top it off with a little red chili. Here comes the airplane. The thing is, wherever you travel in Vietnam, even in these very cheap restaurants, you're guaranteed to have good flavor. So don't worry about that. It's a very, very affordable option for those who are traveling and who want to have a cheap option of a meal. Okay, so guys, trust in them. It might not look healthy or sanitary. Just develop your immune system. And this is the best way to do it, so you don't get sick further in your travel. Just go, have some of these meals. If you get sick, you get sick. But your body is a natural pharmacist, and you can just get on your way and travel without any problems, okay? So, out.
Centuries back, when Hoi An was the cool kid of the Silk Road, tailoring was already a thing. It was a bustling trading port attracting merchants from China, Europe, Japan, and beyond. Fast forward a few hundred years, and Hoi An still got the tailor game strong, known for its textile industry with local artisans producing a wide variety of fabrics, including silk, cotton, and linen. Since Zane wasn't keeping up with his challenges very well, I decided to shake things up with a little surprise. A designer piece he'd have to rock as a punishment.
That's so funny.
On the hunt for the perfect tailor accomplice, I scoped out a few spots and asked about the fabric prices. The range was as wild as Zane's excuses, from $6 to $60 per square meter. The prices for fabric will vary depending on the tailor's reputation, the quality of materials used, and your smooth talking skills. Zane?
Yeah?
Come here. We need to measure you.
To measure me?
Yeah.
Oh god. What is happening?
Sorry about
Sorry about why are you saying sorry? That's scary. Why is she saying sorry already?
He's from Belgium, and
Yeah,
I'm from
from
Kazakhstan.
What's going on?
His face is
I have no idea. So obviously I'm wearing a skirt or something. You're gonna make me wear a skirt, is that it?
You wish it was that simple.
Whoa! No. Get
About this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? What are we measuring here? Ah,
Just don't worry about it.
okay. Alright.
I think you have a little eyebrow tip.
Have an eyebrow, what? Oh yeah? Really? I was scared. Nervous.
May I have a massage? Organic farm.
But wait. So I'm walking like this at the beach?
Yeah.
Really?
They say we are what we eat. Chúng ta là những gì chúng ta ăn vào.